In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an interactive quiz using MS PowerPoint in just 5 easy steps. First, let me show you an example. Let's begin right away by clicking Start. Question number 1. How does energy from the sun travel to the earth? You have 3 choices: radiation, conduction, or convection. If you click conduction, it will say you are wrong. Click back to try again, and now you are correct. Radiation. Click back and click next to proceed to the next question. When you are at the last question, clicking next will take you to the end of the quiz slide, and you have 2 choices: whether you want to take the quiz again or to quit. Now let's create a quiz like this by clicking New, and let's begin with step 1. Choose a template. From here, you can choose to create from blank presentation, or you can simply choose to use a template. For this example, let's choose a template. Once you have chosen a template, you can still choose from the different variants of that template. Step 2. Insert text. And it includes the name of your quiz. For this example, let's call this Quiz 1. And your questions. Let's say you already have prepared questions. So all you need to do is to copy. Step 3. Insert Smart Art Graphics. This will help you create shapes for your choices in lightning speed, and it comes with many customization options. Now let's copy your prepared choices and select a style. In here, you have 2 options: to insert an image to a circle, or you can just insert a word art. Once you're satisfied with your work, you may copy this slide for your next question. Now let's create a slide for the correct and wrong prompt notifications. Let's add a new slide and change the layout to section header and type correct. You may then copy the entire slide and type wrong. Let's add one more slide to mark the end of the quiz. Now we are ready for step 4. Insert action buttons. Go to Insert, click Shapes, and head to Action Buttons. Choose Action Button Custom. Insert it in your slide. Under mouse click, click Hyperlink. Select Slide, and click Slide 2, where our first question is located, and click OK. You may then label the button as Start. Let's move on to our question slide. The correct answer to this question is radiation. So when you insert action to this button, let's make sure that we select Slide 5, where our correct slide is. For the rest of the choices, the wrong notification should pop up. So make sure you select Slide 6. Do the same procedure to the rest of the question slides. In the correct or wrong slide, we should also insert a back button. This button will send us back to the previous page where the recent question is, so that from there we'll have a choice if we want to answer again or move on to the next question. Let's go ahead and insert an action button. Place it somewhere here, and in the hyperlink, select Last Slide View. Click OK and label it back. You may now copy this button to the wrong slide. For the end of the quiz slide, we need a button to enable the user to take the quiz again. So in hyperlink, choose First Slide. Another button is necessary to end the quiz. So in Action, select End Show and label it Quit. After each question, we should provide a next button so a user can proceed to the next one. For this, we need another action button. Place it somewhere here, and in hyperlink, select Next Slide and label the button Next. You may then copy this button to the rest of the question slide. For the last question, we should edit the hyperlink so that it will land on the last slide. To do that, right-click on the next button, click Edit Hyperlink, and choose Last Slide. Step 5. Go to Slideshow tab, click Setup Slideshow, and click Browse at Kiosk, full screen. Click OK, and you are done. Now it's time to test your work. Perfect! Now that you know the basics, go ahead and get creative in making your interactive quiz. This can help you motivate your students to participate more in your online class. If you learned something today, please like, share, and subscribe.